Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. Welcome to my kitchen. We're gonna make some donuts. Come on. I'll show you how I do it. Okay, I'm gonna use the Kodiak Power Cakes. It's for flapjack and waffle mix is what it's called. On the back, it has a recipe for muffins. Well, I'm not making muffins, I'm making donuts. I'm actually gonna make some blueberry donuts, and I'm gonna use a lemon glaze on the top of them. So it's gonna be blueberry and lemon. That sounds good, don't it? I've already got all this stuff mixed out. And again, I went by on the back of the, right here where it says muffins, just say Power Caked Donuts. I made some earlier. Y'all want to see them? I have a sous chef today. Okay, not really, but Tom is helping me. I've got all my stuff measured out. I got my blueberries in here. Mine are frozen. You can use fresh or frozen, either one. And this is milk and an egg. Oh, he's going to show you the ones that I've already made. Made them earlier today. These are well, they're pretty for starters. But they're actually banana nut donuts. And the glaze, I made a maple glaze for them. Oh my goodness, you all. Absolutely delicious. I know, I should have shared that with you all, and I did not. And I'm so sorry. But I'm sharing this one with you. Now in here I've got 4 tablespoons of melted butter. I've got some brown sugar. I'm not using Swerve. This is for our sunrise breakfast at church. So we're doing it up right. And then in here I've got half a cup of yogurt that we're going to be using. Now the recipe on the back of the box for those muffins, it tells you a banana muffin, I think is what it said. And I just jazzed it up and made the donuts. Time to make the donuts. That's what he said, wasn't it? All right, let's get all this mixed in together here. Now I'm not using my clear bowl, and don't ask me why, I don't know. I'm just not. But yeah, just follow the directions on the back of that box. I've got the oven preheating to 350 degrees. And I went ahead and sprayed some nonstick spray on my silicone. They're actually bagel. Silicone bagel. You know, you can't really, it's a pan. But you can use them for donuts too. And that's what I'm doing. Be sure when you mix this up, you scrape that bottom real good. Just like that. So you get all that down there mixed in. We want it all mixed in. Scrape it. We just got back from a baby shower. My great nephew and his wife having a little boy. Soon that little baby's gonna be here. Alright. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and set this here. Now it's probably, it may take I may have to put a few more in here with my other ones there that I did. I ended up having to use 4 individuals because I didn't want them to bellow out everywhere. And I'll probably have to do the same thing with these. Just go in there and get some of the batter out and put it in a different donut. Help if I'd get something to get that out of there with, wouldn't it? But yeah, different. I don't know. It's not really for donuts. It looks. But that's what I use it for, but I don't know what they're called. It's a silicone thing. I can tell you that. If that helps any, it's a silicone something or other. Tell me what it is down there in the comments, y'all. What are these things called? Silicone somethings. Bakeware? Silicone bakeware? Is that what it is? That wasn't me, that was Tom in the background hollering, oh, and I don't know why. Mold. Oh, he said mold. I don't think they're molds either. I don't think anybody would want to cook with something that's called a mold. He's thinking about Jell-O. Let's see here. If you'll hold that for me, so I can scrape this out of the bottom. We got it about right on this one, I think. That one came up with no. I'm gonna have to get a few berries out. That one ended up without a berry on it. No, it's got one, I see it. There we go. Uh-oh. I think I might have another one. Right. Got a little bit more. Let's see if I can get it in these. Oh, without making too much of a daggone mess. I might, you never know. I just have to wait for the oven to go ahead and heat up now. I'm gonna take some of that out of there, y'all. I already know that's gonna go everywhere. I still think I might put some more berries in that one. One blueberry is not enough. Is it? Nope, I don't think so. These have to bake for about 24 minutes, something like that. Right. Now, I'm gonna clean up my mess. And again, like I said, I'm gonna grab a few more of these frozen blueberries and shove in there. If we're gonna eat blueberry donuts, then let's eat blueberry donuts. A few of these are rather sparse. Blueberry fingers. But those other ones that I made, that glaze, y'all, oh my word, it is so good. There we go. Now, that's a blueberry donut. That's blueberry fingers. Alright, I'm going to let this oven get up to, oh, it's already preheated. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put these in the oven, y'all, for about 25 minutes, and I'll see y'all then. But there's what we're going to do right there. Okay, my timer just went off, and I did go ahead and make some lemon glaze. I'll tell you how I did that in just a minute. Now, I did the toothpick test with these, and it took 22 minutes. So, I'm going to go ahead and pull these off of here and let them sit here and cool off for a minute. And then I'll tell you about my lemon glaze that I made. That is hot. In case you were wondering, yeah buddy, it's hot. Okay. For the glaze, all I did was take a cup and a half of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And that's the glaze for it. But I do definitely have to wait and let these cool down. But look how cute that looks with those blueberries poking out of there. I like the way it looks. Let's see if I can get these out of there without busting the blueberries all up. Love how that just comes right out of there. Love it. Now, you do have to let these cool completely down before, look how pretty those are. Really pretty. Let's see if I can, they're nice and soft. Look at that. They're nice and hot. And they're nice and blueberry. But I gotta let them cool completely down before I put my glaze on it. So I'll be back. Okay, it did cool down a little bit. They're still kind of warm, but I was wanting to go ahead and do this and get Tom to come in here and give it a taste. But I didn't get a plate to put it on. I did not get a plate out, you all. My goodness. I think I just lost a blueberry. Look at that, how pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 of these for him. And yeah, I'll have one. You don't have to twist my arm about it. I'll have one. Look at that. It's so pretty. It just turns out wonderful. Look at that. Okay. Let me wipe my hands off. I get him over here to give it a test, y'all. See if it tastes all right. All right. Look. Look at that. Ooh. Now they're still kind of hot inside, so just be careful. Good stuff, huh?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Yep. Thank you.
You're welcome. There he goes. Over there to sit down and have his donuts. But that's it. If you have not subscribed yet, I do hope that you will. Click the subscription button and the notification bell. That way you know when we put new content on. And give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up if you like what we're doing. And leave a comment. Let me know what you think. If you try it, let me know. And we'll see you next time. Bye.